Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Apex Legends game, how to fix random crashes on Windows 10. First method is open my computer, C drive. Click Program Files x86 folder. Click Origin Games. Click Apex folder. Click Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Click to open Easy Anti-Cheat Setup. Click Repair Services. Click Finish to open Apex game. Second method is open Origin game. Click My Game Library. Right-click, Apex Legends. Click Repair. Started verifying game files. Verifying game files completed. Now run your Apex Legends game. Third method is open Origin game. Click My Game Library. Right-click, Apex Legends. Click Update Game. Apex Legends game is updating. Click Close and run the Apex Legends game. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.